Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, we are talking about the tools for measuring kinematic quantities. Biomechanics researchers have a wide array of the equipment for studying human movement kinematics available. Knowledge gained through the use of these apparatus is often published not only in the scientific journals but also in the professional journals for the teachers, clinicians, coaches, and other interested human movements. Now we'll talk about in detail video and film. The photographers began employing cameras in the study of the human and animal movement during the late 19th century. One famous early photographer was Edward Muybridge, a British landscape photographer and a rather colorful character who frequently published essays praising his own work. Maybridge used electronically controlled still camera aligned in the sequence with an electromagnetic tripping device to capture serial shoot of the trotting and galloping horse, thereby resolving the controversy about whether all four horses and even airborne simultaneously. More importantly, however, he amassed 3 volumes of the photogenic photographic work on the human and animal motion that provided the scientific documentation of some of the subtle differences between normal and pathological gait. The movement analysis Analysts today have quite an array of the camera types from which to choose. This type of the movement and the requirements of the analysis largely determine the camera and analysis system of the choice. Standard video provide the 30 resolvable picture per second, which is perfectly adequate for many human study of the kinematics of the human motion typically require a more sophisticated video camera and playback unit with higher rates of the picture capture. The digital video capture system designed for human movement analysis are commercially available with the frame rates of up to 2000 Hz for both qualitative and quantitative analysis. However, a consideration often of the greater importance than camera speed is clarity of the captured image. It is the camera's shutter speed and that allows the user control of the exposure time. The length of the time that the shutter is open when each picture in the video record is taken, the faster the movement being analyzed. Shorter the duration of the exposure time required to prevent the blurring of the image capture. Another important consideration is video is the number of the cameras required to adequately capture the aspects of interest because most human movement is not constrained to a single plane. It is typically necessary to use the multiple cameras to ensure that all the movements can be viewed and recorded accurately for the detailed analysis. When practicality dictates the single camera be used, thoughtful consideration should be given to the camera positioning relative to the movement of the interest only when the human motion is according perpendicular to the optical axis of the camera are the angles present at the joints viewed without the distortion. Biomechanists typically conduct the quantitative analysis of the human motion by the adhering small reflective markers over the subject's joint center and the other points of the interest on the body. His marker location depending on the purpose of analysis. If you have any questions regarding that, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching.